Does it happen to you that apps on your iPhone update automatically, even when you don't want them to? Maybe you want to save mobile data, avoid changes in your favorite apps, or simply have control over updates. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic app updates on your iPhone in just a few steps. So, to start, find the Settings app on your phone and open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, where you will see a section called Apps. Tap on it. This will open a page with a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Find the App Store app and tap on it. When you're on the App Store settings page, you'll see multiple options. Now, locate the App Updates option under the Automatic Downloads section and simply tap the switch next to it to turn it off. Once you disable app updates, your iPhone will no longer update apps automatically, and you will have to do it manually. When you want to update an app, simply open the App Store, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Available Updates section. From there, you can update individual apps or tap Update All if you want to refresh them all at once. This way, you have complete control over the versions of the apps you use and can decide when it's the right time to update them. And that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon.